Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today's my lecture is about difference between simple and facilitated diffusion. Facilitated diffusion differ from simple diffusion in the following important way. That is, although the rate of simple diffusion through a open channel increase proportionately with the concentration of diffusing substance, but in case of facilitated diffusion, the rate of diffusion approaches a maximum, which is called Vmax, as the concentration of diffusing substance increases. This is the figure which taken from the book which is written by the Guyton. Here the effect of concentration of a substance on the rate of diffusion through a membrane by simple and facilitated diffusion. This figure shows that as the concentration of diffusing substance increases, the rate of simple diffusion continues to increase proportionately. But in case of facilitated diffusion, the rate of diffusion cannot rise greater than the Vmax level. Now, we discuss the difference between simple and facilitated diffusion by forming some table. Here some characteristics we made for the table. At first, definition. Simple diffusion is a type of passive transport process in which simply the unassisted movement of solute which occur when its electrochemical potential on two sides of a permeable barrier are different. In facilitated diffusion, which is also passive transport process in which specific structural component of biological membrane interact with particular solutes or a class of solutes, markedly increasing the rates at which they can cross the membrane. Secondly, driving force. Driving force for simple diffusion is the concentration gradient across the membrane. And facilitated diffusion, the difference of concentration of solute across the membranes is the driving force. Energy requirement. Simple diffusion is a passive transport, so it does not require any energy. But in case of facilitated diffusion, it is also a passive transport mechanism which also does not require any energy. But some facilitated diffusion processes can be active. Then speed. The speed of simple diffusion is relatively low, but in case of facilitated diffusion, which is relatively higher. The processes of simple diffusion is not solute specific. Facilitated diffusion is directed by specificity between solute and carrier molecules. In additional forces, besides the concentration gradient, the kinetic energy of molecules also drive the processes of simple diffusion. And in case of facilitated diffusion, as in simple diffusion, the processes is driven by kinetic energy in addition to the concentration gradient. Then inhibition. Simple diffusion is not inhibited by an inhibitor molecule. Facilitated diffusion can be inhibited by specific inhibitor molecules. Direction of the movement. In simple diffusion, the movement of particles occur along the direction of concentration gradient. But in case of facilitated diffusion, the movement of molecules can occur both in direction and opposite of the concentration gradient. Then size of the molecules. Simple diffusion is mostly involved in the passage of small nonpolar molecules, and facilitated diffusion is commonly involved in the movement of large and polar molecules across the biological membrane. Channel protein. In simple diffusion, the movements of molecule occur either through the general surface of the membrane, and in case of facilitated diffusion, certain protein channels are involved, which results in the formation of particular pores for the movements of molecules. In case of simple and facilitated diffusion, lastly, in characteristics, these are examples. In simple diffusion, the exchange of gas between lungs and blood, the mixing of gas in the atmosphere, and absorption of nutrient by bacteria are some examples for small diffusion. And in case of facilitated diffusion, transfer of molecules like calcium, potassium, movements of oxygen in the blood with the help of hemoglobin, the transport of amino acid and glucose from the blood to the cell are some examples for facilitated diffusion. Thank you for your patience hearing.